Did Iran's supreme leader, Khamenei, sacrifice Iran for Palestine? Well, that's the question that is no longer whispered. It is being debated, argued, and shouted inside Iran and far beyond its borders. You're watching Times XP, and this is me, Dhriti Atri, explaining the truth. Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, the most powerful man in Iran, a leader who does not face elections, a man whose words they become policy. For decades, he has positioned Iran as a flag bearer of Palestinian cause. But today, many Iranians they are asking at what cost and who paid the price here. So let's slow this down and let me explain why this is so important. Iran has poured billions of dollars into supporting Hamas, backing Hezbollah in Lebanon, funding militia across Syria, Iraq, Yemen, confronting Israel indirectly again and again, all in the name of what? Resistance, all in the name of Palestine. Now contrast that with the life inside Iran, inflation crushing the household, youth unemployment soaring, currency in free fall, sanctions biting deeper every single year, women protesting on the streets, and students chanting against the system. The people are asking that if Iran is so strong abroad, why is life so hard at home? And this is where the bigger anger begins. Many Iranians believe that their country has become a frontline state for causes that are not their own. They ask that why should Iranian money fund wars elsewhere? Why should Iranian youth they die for regional ambitions? Why should sanctions be price of ideology? Protesters tell the story better than speeches, right? In recent demonstrations, slogans have shifted, not just against the government, not just against the repression here, but against foreign priorities. Chants questioning why Palestine comes before Iran, why Gaza is mentioned more than Iranian cities, why sacrifice is demanded only from ordinary people. Supporters of Khamenei see it very differently though. They argue that Palestine is a moral obligation, Israel is the region's core threat, if Iran does not fight abroad, war will come to home, resistance keep enemies away from Iranian soil. Now to them this is strategic defense and not sacrifice. But where's the truth? Somewhere in the tension between ideology and daily survival, regional powers and domestic pain, strategic ambitions and public contests. Well, this is not just about Palestine anymore. This is about who decides Iran's future. And here's the most dangerous part. When people feel unheard for too long, when sacrifices feel one-sided, when ideology outweighs everyday life, legitimacy begins to crack. And yes, not overnight, not suddenly, but quietly, relentlessly. So, did Khamenei sacrifice Iran for Palestine? There is no single answer, but the fact that millions of Iranians are now asking that question openly tells you just one thing very clearly. The debate has escaped the shadows, and once that happens, history rarely stays still. This is not just Iran's story anymore. This is a warning about power, priority, and people. So, stay tuned with the story.